Welcome back to another video. So, can we use generative AI within cultural heritage? This will be the case study. We see over here this Trajan Roman bust. This is from a museum in Munich. And this will be the input image. We're going to see that the image will have the following details. There will be over here the original file. We're going to see the pixels. Now, let's take a look at the case study output models. We still have the one from Spark 3D being generated. This is close to finish, but the others from CSM, Tripo, or over here from Vizcom are already finished. Now, let's take a look. I already imported those within Blender, within this file, and we're going to see that they will be overlapped like this. So I have over here the collection for those. And let me just show one at a time. So we're going to start initially with CSM. So I want to have that collection visible. And we're going to say the model from CSM will have this goofy look. So he has this weird smile on his face. The mesh from Tripo will be like this. As we can see over here, we're going to have some textures, but this will be the overall output. So in my opinion, the one from Tripo is quite good. Keep in mind that if you're going to compare that one with this one from CSM, also over here the profile of the ear will be quite weird. And we're going to have the model from Vizcom, which will be this one. So if I'm going to put side by side those models, we're going to have Tripo to the left, Vizcom to the right. This will be those. And we're also going to have CSM over here to the right. So just by positioning them like this, we can already see that the model from CSM will have this goofy look. Now, let's take a look at the model from Spark 3D because this has just been finished. And now we're going to have the following model. We're going to see that there are a little bit better details, especially over here for the profile of the ear, for the profile of the face. So let's download this model. The GLB file is ready, so let's load that within Blender. Within downloads, we're going to go all the way over here, and this will be the GLB file. You're going to see that the file size will be 35 megabytes, but the size within the scene will be a little bit larger. It was the same for the one from CSM, so I had to scale that a little bit. Let's go maybe to this view and make it like this. Slightly smaller and move it a little bit to the right. So we can already see that over here for the model on Spark, we have a little bit of more symmetry embedded to the model, as you can see for the face over here. While the other tools, the one from Tripo and the one from Vizcom, will have the following look over here. So in my opinion, it's not a good idea to, let's say, force that symmetry onto the model, and this is a good case study regarding this. Okay, so I hope you enjoy this kind of content. You're going to find a similar video on the left side, and I will also add a subscribe button to the right. So that's it. Thanks for watching.